I am thrilled and delighted to represent this company that we have nurtured over the past 8 years. We have strived to live by our vision, mission and values as we have grown significantly over the years. We look to continue our growth trajectory globally as we set ourselves up for aggressive targets and goals for the coming years. During this journey, mPHATEK has managed to offer innovative and disruptive technologies by investing and building in some cutting-edge technologies, products, and delivering high-end technology solutions for our customers that have enabled to add significant business value to them. As we set ourselves for this next growth phase, our customers, partners, and associates will remain a central focus, and we hope to build long-standing relationship with all the stakeholders. We hope to achieve even greater heights together.
Company who have a strong and positive management, who is always there to help you out and to support for your career advancement and give you a lot of learnings. So mPHATEK is a great place to work. It's an excellent environment.
The work culture is very flexible. All the colleagues are very helpful and supportive of my endeavors.
I've worked with mPHATEK for 3 years now as an administrator. I've learned a lot. I've grown in this company. I've grown in communicating with people. Communicating with people you don't even know, with people we've never met, but there's a lot of respect and love.
We are working with majority of the leading banks, insurance companies, as well as government agencies. So we always encourage our employees to enhance their skills as per the current as well as the future technology trends. We would like to build mPHATEK as a technology company who provides digital transformations to our customers across the globe.
I have learned so many new skills over here. And I would like to share that I was almost a fresher when I joined this organization, but I never felt like this, because whenever I have worked with my team lead and even when I have to be in touch with the CTO or the higher authorities, I never felt like that I was a fresher.
Here I got the best platform to enhance my technical skills, and I'm enjoying my work with data enthusiasts. Apart from that, company encourages employees towards their personal growth also.
I take great pride in mPHATEK's presence in Canada as well as my own experience of being part of this beautiful country. Our company has established a strong foothold in Canada and has been operating successfully in this new location.
mPHATEK is expanding into new territories and new technologies, and we are welcoming more people into our family. And as mPHATEK says, let's keep achieving greater heights.
I would like to thank mPHATEK for all the tremendous effort they've put to put me here, and the continuous support which you've been giving me so far.
Since last year I work here. So at the beginning I was shy. When I meet my colleagues and my managers, they help me to develop myself.
I am very glad to have all my co-workers and employees. They are very friendly. All the higher authorities are very cooperative and kind. They are help us to do a better things day by day.
I joined mPHATEK only 7 months ago. I could absolutely tell without a shadow of a doubt what a great company it is. Just amazing people and great technologies. For me, the biggest pointer was the onboarding process, how smooth it was, how organized, and how just everyone cared. Just to make it so very simple and so very easy.